3 tips to downsize. 1, don't be a storage place for other people. Maybe somebody asks you to store some stuff. Maybe it's your children that have items there. Whatever that is, don't be a storage place. Whatever there is needs to go, and set a deadline, 30 days, and they need to pick it up or it's going to be donated, and stick to it. Don't procrastinate. So that's number 1. Number 2, do you have anything in an attic? Whatever's in the attic probably has been out of sight, out of mind. So start clearing the attic out. Make a point to not have anything in the attic. And you probably need some help for this, but whatever's in that attic needs to go. It might be things that were handed down by family. It might be old books or school books or whatever, all sorts of things, old clothes, whatever it is. Make a point to not have anything in your attic. There's 2 reasons for that. Well, 3. 1, it's downsizing. 2, if there's ever a disaster at your home, and I've had some personal experience with that, that's less stuff that you have to figure out, well, gee, what was there, and so forth, or dealing with it. And 3, that gives you more space to deal with it. So get rid of anything that's in your attic. Make a point of that. If you don't have an attic, do you have a basement? Basement is the same thing. So do your attic and your basement, and that's out of the way. So don't be a storage place. Get rid of anything in your attic and your basement. Makes it easier someday when you move. Makes it easier when you're gone for somebody to clean out. And 3, in case of any kind of natural disaster or disaster, fire, flood, whatever it is, that's less to deal with on an insurance claim. And number 3, if you disappeared tomorrow, what's somebody going to do with your stuff? So think about giving away some of that now. Are there things that somebody wants now, and are there things that they truly don't want, whoever your heirs are, and do you want to get rid of them now? Go ahead and give them to whoever might want them, or get rid of them so that they don't have to have that burden. Care about who's going to be cleaning up your estate after you. Those are the 3 things.